Remember, Rome was not built in a day to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today is one of the older idioms. It comes from medieval French poem in 1190. It was first actually published, meaning written down. So it's one of the earlier things that was actually written down. And it means, of course, a difficult task doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen in a day. We don't achieve great things in a day. Rome, the beautiful capital of the Roman Empire on the Tiber River in Italy, was of course centuries in the making. It took a long time to create the magnificent city that was the capital of the Roman Empire, Rome. And Rome today is still a beautiful, amazing city, although I've never been there. I'd like to go. But we are reminded that great things that we want to accomplish, especially when it comes to building and creating our businesses, it doesn't happen overnight. So often we want things to be done already. As soon as we get an idea, we want it to already be a reality. And it just doesn't work that way. It takes time and energy and resources in the form of people and finances and raw materials to create anything. And most of those things don't happen overnight. Maybe someday, we'll be able to create things out of thin air. But as the world is right now, at the time of this video, we do not have, as human beings, that capability. So we need to remind ourselves, in order to avoid frustration and upset and unnecessary drama, I say, we need to remind ourselves that things take time. Great things take time. If we are following a worthwhile goal and objective and purpose, it's not going to happen overnight. Now, doesn't mean we won't have short-term wins and things and quick wins that help to motivate us and keep us going, but it means that our overall overarching goal and objective, it should be so big that we even wonder if it's possible. Because one of the most fun things is taking something that we wondered was possible and actually creating it and making it a reality in the world. That's how we make the world a better place. So instant gratification, it seems like the older I get, the more younger people, and then it spreads to all of us, we expect a quick return, instant gratification. And marketers and business people promise quick returns and instant success and massive transformations overnight all the time. But those of us who have made transformations, who have changed, who have grown, who've accomplished big things and great goals that we've set for ourselves, we know that it takes work and effort and energy and time to make what we want to have happen in our lives and in other people's lives as well. But I think it's important that in our businesses, as we're serving people and our customers, we remember that they are looking for momentum. They're looking for the little quick wins that show them that they're on the path to the transformation that they seek, that they see quick movement toward the resolution of a problem or that they have, that we're giving them little bits of wins in the solutions that we're providing them and not waiting. If we want to convince somebody that it's going to take them 6 months to achieve a goal or objective, we sure better have some milestones along the way and some wins along the way for them, or they'll never stick with it. I find that just in challenges. I do challenges with people, and we do 5-day challenges, 10-day challenges, 30-day challenges, all the way up to a year-long challenges, and 365-day challenges. And it's interesting how people drop off. The people that are participating and are engaged and are doing the challenges, they see results every day, and those people stick to it to the end, no matter how long the challenge is. But the people that aren't doing the challenge, that aren't, like I do an action item each day. If you don't do the action item, you're not engaged. If you're not engaged, you're not going to get the result. If you don't get a result, you're gonna drop off. You're gonna quit. You're not going to stick with it. And Rome wasn't built in a day. This idiom is to remind us that we need to persevere. If we're going after a worthwhile goal, it's going to take us continually committing to achieving that goal. I love this saying, how do you eat an elephant, or a joke, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. How do you achieve a goal? One step at a time. One day at a time, always doing the things little by little, inch by inch. Everything is easier, and we achieve great things by having the long-term vision and doing the short-term steps to get us there. So I'd love to know your experience with this idiom. Rome was not built in a day. I'm sure I've used it. It's been around so long. It's been a part of all of our lives. I'm sure when the kids wanted me to hurry up and do something, or my ex-husband wanted me to, I'm sure I said, Rome wasn't built in a day. Give me a minute, or cut me some slack. Probably said cut me some slack. Rome wasn't built in a day because I wanted more time or needed more time to do something. Maybe it was serve a holiday meal or something, because, you know, some people are amazing at timing everything and having everything done at the right, perfect time. And some of us are a little more chaotic, and we just throw a great spread out. And as things get done, they get done. People can just eat all the time. So it depends on what our objective is. My objective was always to have family hang out with one another as long as possible versus, you know, a quick meal and then we're out the door. It depends what your objective is in your business. What kind of a transformation, what kind of solutions are you providing to people? But we always want to keep in mind their experience, and that as humans, we need to be feeling like we're making progress or momentum, or we tend to give up. We quit, or we see another shiny object and we go another direction. We see somebody who's doing it faster and easier, or promising that they can do it faster and easier, and so we go and follow them instead of your business and my business. That's it. Go out, have an amazing day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business right now? Take care.